nzambe aye bokende wapi yo yanga masumu eyebani mokili mobimba ya bino bomba ngo na se ya mbeto mana ngai masumu na bino bomba ngo na se ya mbeto yanga eyebani yanga eyebani ya bino eyebani te yo ko juger nga yo ozalani ozanzambe porte ya kokende na lola eza na ndako na yo oliesaka nga obokolaka bana na nga avant yo oya awa kofinga nga yoka surtout ba oyo bamesana toki baofinga nga balingi bakotisa komba mobali na nga boyoka wana aza mosali ya nzambe ya original mosali ya nzambe original ya bapaster ya balokuta te wana aza original soki osakani na ye osakani na kombo na ye okota akoma lokola Deborah akota live hour she came in line and made up lies regarding my husband. What happened to her? And then not just that, my husband called the family and gave her a warning. She never listened. Where is she now? That's what I'm telling you, Tate. You're gonna be next. Mark my words. You'll be next. You guys will call us witches, but no, it's not witchcraft. You see, my husband has been through a lot. I made him pass through a lot, and that situation that he passed through, it has made him to become the most serious man of God on earth. It has made him to be the serious man of God on earth. Yangowana, when you guys play with his name, you get cursed. Problem starts following you because you're attacking the wrong person. Come and attack me. I'm a sinner. I fornicate. Come and attack me, no. But once you bring his name, you're in trouble. You're in trouble. As for me, I'm a sinner. My sin is known around the world. I am very much known for my sins. If you insult me, I have fixed already with God. You go and